Hey, my name's Bobby, and today we're going to be investigating fuels, more specifically, acetylene. Acetylene's pretty cool because it's used in activities such as welding, as it burns at such a high temperature, provided it burns with the correct air-to-fuel ratio. It can be made through the reaction of calcium carbide and water. So today, we're going to explore the production and combustion of acetylene gas. For this experiment, there's two parts to the procedure. Part A, producing acetylene. First, mark 4 test tubes using a grease pencil to indicate the following positions from the bottom of the test tube: half, 1/4, 1/8, 1/16. These marks will indicate how much gas will be put into the test tube. Next, fill the test tube to the top with tap water. Cover the opening of the test tube with a small piece of paper towel and invert into the beaker of water. Remove the piece of paper towel with the tongs. There should not be any air in the test tube. Repeat with the remaining test tubes. Then, add a piece of calcium carbide to the water in the beaker and place 1 test tube over it. Collect the required amount of acetylene gas. Lift the test tube straight out of the water with the mouth facing down so that the water pours out. Stopper the test tube and set it aside in the test tube rack. Repeat with the remaining test tubes. It may be necessary to add additional pieces of calcium carbide. Now, Part B, burning acetylene. Here you must be careful. You must use goggles and follow other safety precautions as combustion will occur. Ignite the contents of the test tube by inserting a burning splint into the mouth of the upside-down test tube containing the acetylene/air mixture. Record observations. Now, what did that show? From the observations, we can see whether or not complete combustion was performed. Moving on, now it's time for...
This is Jeopardy!
And welcome your host, Bobby! Welcome to Jeopardy! I'm your host, Bobby, and here are your contestants, Bobby 1, Bobby 2, and Bobby 4. Don't ask what happened to Bobby 3. Alright, first question, Bobby 1. Combustion for 800. The test tube closest to incomplete combustion. What is 1/16 acetylene? Correct! And why is that so? Well, from the observations, the flame color and the description of sound helped to support that. The blue flame only occurred with complete combustions, and there was what looked like an outline of a blue flame, which none of the other test tubes had. Furthermore, the description of sound that was produced indicates a great amount of energy that was released. All right, that's enough. It's not an essay. All right, next question, Bobby 2. Yep. Combustion for 400. The test tube closest to incomplete combustion. What is 1/4 acetylene? Incorrect. Moving on to you, Bobby 4. What is 1/2 acetylene? Correct. And why is that so? It's 1/2 acetylene due to the amount of soot and flame position. Soot is an indicator of incomplete combustion as it's a carbon product, not carbon dioxide, that's produced. As seen on half acetylene's test tube, there's a great amount of soot present in comparison to the others. As for flame color, the half acetylene test tube is orange, which indicates incomplete combustion. Alright, final question. Bobby 4? Combustion for 600, please. The dangerous products of incomplete combustion. What is carbon and carbon monoxide? Correct! And why is that only with incomplete combustion? Well, with complete combustion, the products of the reaction are carbon dioxide and hydrogen hydroxide, water. Within complete combustion, however, there's a lack of oxygen. So carbon monoxide and carbon molecules are produced instead of carbon dioxide.
Well explained. And it just so happens that Bobby number 4 is the winner! Congratulations! Come back next time for Not Jeopardy!